Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when working with their devices. The problem at hand is problem. Imagine you're in the middle of an important task on your computer, and suddenly you encounter problem. It can be frustrating, disruptive, and sometimes even lead to delays in your work. But fret not, because there is a solution to this pesky problem. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to solving problem lies in solution. By following these steps and implementing solution, you'll be able to overcome problems swiftly and get back to your tasks without any hassle. It's a simple yet effective way to tackle problem head-on. In summary, solution is the answer to overcoming problem. Next time you come across problem, remember to apply solution for a quick resolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.